It's never been easier to express your creativity on your computer. With a tablet and a digital pen, you can paint or draw your next masterpiece directly into a digitally native platform. There are lots of great drawing tablets out there, from specialty devices for professionals and hobbyists, and versatile devices for everyday life whose artistic uses are just part of the picture. Whether you're just getting started, or a professional artist in need of a new device, these are the best drawing tablets. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is the best drawing tablet for most people, from beginners to seasoned pros. The 15.6-inch glass display has a large 13.6 by 8.6-inch active area, making it big enough for expressive, lag-free drawing. It has an anti-glare coating that cuts down on potentially distracting reflections and adds a level of friction to help simulate the feeling of drawing on paper. Its express keys are out of the way on the tablet's rear edge, so they don't take up valuable screen space. The relatively compact tablet conveniently connects to your computer using an HDMI cable, which produces better video quality than a USB cable, and has foldable legs that can provide up to a 19-degree incline. The Wacom Cintiq 16's battery-free, cordless pen is lightweight, pressure-sensitive, and has a natural feel, like you're writing with a regular pen. It can also tilt up to 60 degrees. The tablet also gives you a little software-enabled help, using anti-jitter technology to ensure you get smooth lines. Between the versatile pen and the high-quality surface, the Cintiq 16 is a well-rounded drawing tablet for hobbyists and pros. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. There's a ton of real estate on the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro's 2K Quad HD display, giving you room to dream big and draw bigger. If you want a lot of drawing room, the 23.8-inch XP Pen Artist 24 Pro provides a ton of space to create your work. The 2K QHD display realizes your designs in vivid color, allowing you to notice even the smallest details. It's built for comfort. The tablet's stand is adjustable and can tilt up to 60 degrees, making it easy for you to find your sweet spot. It also accommodates both right and left-handed artists, with dials and shortcut keys on both sides of the tablet for ambidextrous access. Either way, all 20 shortcut keys are customizable so you can set the tablet to meet your needs. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro comes with a battery-free stylus, which features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt, giving you the most sensitive digital drawing experience. It's worth noting, however, that at 15.43 pounds this is a strictly an office, studio device. Number 3. Apple iPad Air 5. When you hear the word tablet, chances are that the iPad is the first thing that comes to mind. While it isn't made specifically for drawing, pairing one with a stylus, especially the Apple Pencil 2, turns it into a fairly sophisticated and versatile tool for making digital art. The 10.9-inch iPad Air 5 is our favorite tablet. It has an edge-to-edge liquid retina display that is practically edgeless and makes images look true to life. Its Apple M1 chip is powerful enough to make drawing and other tasks, such as shooting and editing videos, and transferring files, quick and easy. And at 1 pound, it is also far easier to carry around than most drawing tablets. The biggest disadvantage of the iPad, specifically as a drawing tablet, is that it doesn't come with a stylus. That keeps the cost of the iPad down and gives you the option to pick one up on the cheap, but budding artists will want to drop the extra $129.99 on the Apple Pencil 2, which creates sharp lines, offers a variety of smart features, and even attaches magnetically to the side. Number 4. Huion Inspiroid Dial Q620M. Huion is known for making good tablets, and this one is an inexpensive offering that provides the necessary features. If you want a drawing tablet that won't break the bank, the Huion Inspiroid Dial Q620M drawing tablet provides a lot of functionality for the price. The graphics, display-free, tablet can connect wirelessly to both PC and Android devices, and the wireless receiver can hold a charge for 20 hours, which makes it convenient and trouble-free. The durable and anti-sweat tablet board is scratch and fingerprint resistant and has a frosted matte finish to create the feel of drawing on paper. The tablet, which weighs 3.13 pounds, uses a dial controller and also has 8 programmable hotkeys. The battery-free pen, which comes in a pen holder, has a 60-degree tilt for accurate drawings. A small nitpick, the tablet works with Windows, Mac OS, and Android, but not iOS. Number 5. Wacom Intuos Pro. Wacom is popular among creative professionals, and for good reason. The company has over 35 years in digital pen technology, and its products are used by everyone from fashion designers to animators and filmmakers. The Wacom Tools Pro is a surprisingly slim and lightweight tablet at 16.8 by 11.2 inches and weighs only 2.86 pounds. However, the black anodized aluminum and fiberglass composite resin make it a sturdy choice. The battery-free Wacom Pro Pen 2 is extremely pressure-sensitive and tilts 60 degrees. There's also a pen stand included to keep the stylus safe and out of the way when not in use. The Wacom Tools Pro is a graphic drawing tablet, which means it doesn't have a screen. It connects to your Mac or Windows PC via USB, or wirelessly over Bluetooth. Its multi-touch functionality lets you easily scroll, zoom, and navigate your art via the tablet. You can also turn touch-based gestures off if they mess with your flow.